pressing to the skin like quiet weight. Each decision leaves its print each way. We gather facts the way a river gathers silt. The more we know, the wider the unknown splits. Maps we draw keep folding back on themselves. Plans we make turn thin against what actually swells. Prediction works until the moment bends. Then everything we counted on just ends. Puppets in time on short life strings. We move when the pull comes, we feel what it brings. We know nothing beyond the next beat we can guess. Only the predictable, nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. Yesterday's voices sit heavy in the room. They wear the shape of roads we didn't take. No second chance, no extra turn, no clean erase. So do you step forward or let the moment waste? Would you reach when the opening appears, or stay seated with the weight of former years? Letting hours stack like stones you never throw until the string runs out and you simply go. Puppets in time on short life strings. We move when the pull comes, we feel what it brings. We know nothing beyond the next beat we can guess. Only the predictable, nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. The length is fixed, the end is not announced. One breath, one choice, one quiet amount. No dress, rehearsal, no second show. This is the only pass we get to know. Puppets in time on short life strings. We still decide how hard we lean into the swing. We know nothing, yet here we are still